Maharashtra Chief Minister made that explosive charge against Rahul Gandhi, saying that Bharat Jodo Yatra is linked to Maoists. It's the Shiv Sena that has rallied behind the BJP in Maharashtra, saying that Rahul Gandhi is linked to Maoists and that Bharat Jodo Yatra was funded by Maoists. So the BJP calling for an investigation into the funding of the Bharat Jodo Yatra of Rahul Gandhi, and also demanding probe into that secret meeting which has been referred by the Maharashtra Chief Minister as well. We spoke with Krishna Hegde of the Shiv Sena, who's supported Fadnavis in that explosive charge made against Rahul Gandhi. Listen in first up to Shiv Sena responding to Fadnavis' charge.
Fadnavis ji is not only the Chief Minister but also he was the Home Minister of Maharashtra, and not once but twice and thrice, and therefore he has all the details about the meetings which took place in Nepal, the bid to destabilize Maharashtra, to destabilize India, and urban Naxals who are having their meeting in Nepal. And therefore these urban Naxals and 48 frontal organizations who are involved in Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra, and therefore I think there is an international link also with it, because George Soros person who's heading his organization in India was also part of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. And therefore I think the sinister design to destabilize the Maharashtra government or the Indian government, I think there should be action taken by the Home Ministry both in the center and in Maharashtra.
All right, so the BJP, the Shiv Sena, making those sharp remarks that Bharat Jodo Yatra was funded by Maoists and anti-national elements, and that the Bharat Jodo Yatra of LOP Rahul Gandhi had the backing of anti-national elements. First up, listen in to that statement also coming in from Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who's spoken about a secret meeting that was held in Kathmandu that was attended by people linked to the Bharat Jodo Yatra and Maoists as well. Listen in to that statement.
लोकसभेमध्ये 18 फेब्रुवारी 2014 म्हणजे कोणाचं सरकार होतं? मनमोहन सिंग साहेबांचं सरकार होतं. 80 नाना त्यावेळेचे खासदार होते. त्यांनी प्रश्न विचारला होता. त्यावेळी त्यांनी लोकसभेमध्ये केंद्राच्या सरकारने 72 फ्रंटल संघटनांची नावे घोषित केली आहे. त्यातल्या 7 महाराष्ट्रातल्या आहेत ज्या तुमच्या भारत जोडोच्या आहेत.
All right, so there you heard, in fact, Maharashtra Congress chief who's responded to the charge that's been leveled by Devendra Fadnavis, Nana Patole, who says, and I quote, Congress is never involved in any anti-social activity. Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi sacrificed their lives for the nation and the Constitution of India. Rahul Gandhi received a lot of support in Bharat Jodo Yatra and he unified the nation. I wrote a letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Fadnavis demanding a list of the organizations as well. So Maharashtra Congress chief who's backed Rahul Gandhi, saying that these claims are absolutely bogus. He says that he's even written to Fadnavis demanding a list of organizations, anti-social, anti-national organizations, which Maharashtra Chief Minister says were part of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. All right, let's try and see if Sandeep is with us, but that's a statement coming in from the Congress president, Nana Patole, who's denied all charges, saying that Congress is not involved in anti-social activity in any way.
कांग्रेस ऐसे कोई एंटी सोशल व्यवस्था को समझौता नहीं करती. एक नहीं, दो शहादत कांग्रेस ने देश की एकात्मता के लिए, देश के लिए, संविधान के लिए इंदिरा जी की शहादत दी, हमने राजीव जी की शहादत दी. लेकिन इस तरह का आरोप लगाकर राहुल गांधी जी के कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर की पदयात्रा में जिस तरह से समर्थन राहुल गांधी जी को मिला, जनता का समर्थन मिला और देश को इकट्ठा करने का काम राहुल जी ने किया। उस राहुल जी को डरने का काम जो बीजेपी करती है बार बार, आज भी झूठा आरोप उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट में किया। तो मेरा यही कहना है और इसलिए मैंने आज मुख्यमंत्री जी को खत लिखकर मैंने कहा कि वो कौन सी संगठन है उसका डिटेल हमें चाहिए।
Let's go across to Sandeep also, who's been tracking this very closely. Sandeep, while the Maharashtra Congress chief has demanded list of anti-national organizations which were apparently part of Bharat Jodo Yatra of Rahul Gandhi, talk to us about the statement also coming in from the Shiv Sena rallying behind Maharashtra BJP that yes, Bharat Jodo Yatra was funded by anti-national elements.
Yes, as far as the Mahayuti is concerned, they have clearly made an allegation with the support of the statement that has been in fact given by Devendra Fadnavis in the city, Nagpur Assembly, in fact, wherein he clearly claims that there were around 17 such NGOs or organizations that were associated to Maoist, and in fact, they were the part of Bharat Jodo, and in fact, a meeting also took place in Nepal. Definitely, remember in the past also, Fadnavis, in an interview, exclusive interview to Republic TV, had disclosed with the fact that he has evidences against the Bharat Jodo Yatra and how it was in fact funded and in fact carried out across the state of Maharashtra, not only just Maharashtra, but across the country. So definitely, what would be the next course of action, whether he will, form an SIT to investigate it. What was the source of funding to Bharat Jodo Yatra? Will that be investigated? And what would be the actions that will be taken against? And who are the people who would be put behind this very case? This is something that we have to look out for. But yes, a major claim by Devendra Fadnavis in the House against which the state chief of Congress Party, Nana Patole, has in fact reacted and says that Congress Party is the party of people who have sacrificed their life for the country and have disowned the allegations made by Fadnavis.